What does proper PPC optimization look like for an Amazon FBA brand? Define optimization. The way I am defining optimization, it can take multiple routes. It can be optimization towards profitability, bringing down the ad spend, while optimization towards scalability, you're bringing different ad types or campaigns, you're testing them quickly, gathering data, iterating, seeing what works, what doesn't, so you can apply more of what works. One can take away from spend and make you more efficient on a short run, and then one can be more costly, but on the long run is going to build up muscle. Giving you an example, because most people, when they are throwing out optimization, they are referring to, I have a 2% ACoS. I wish that 5 years ago, when someone would have asked me this question, I would have given the answer that I'm giving right now, but I did not. This question deserves optimization. It's going to come down to, do you know your goal and what this means? Because if you can define optimization, that is going to be way more helpful to whoever is going to help you with those things, even if you're doing it yourself, to achieve that goal.